sector in Goa, some hotels. In the relation to the spurt in the COVID cases, do you think it was a wise decision by the government to go for opening of the hotels?
See, 2 days before, minister and the cabinet okayed it. I am also part of the cabinet. I would not deny it that the matter came up, and we all supported because the industry, TAG had requested, Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, then Hotel Industry Association, all the people together, they had asked CM that this industry needs to open up. Now the question arises on both sides, whether this industry should have been opened at this point or not. If you ask me personally, my personal opinion is no, it should not have been opened, and it should have been deferred by at least a month, that is this month, July, and opened in the month of August, after looking at the situation. But looking at the point of view of the entire industry asking for it to open, the Travel and Tourism Association talks on behalf of all the hotel owners, talks on behalf of all the restaurant owners association, bars owners association. They are speaking this language that we need this industry to open. But personal view is different. My personal view was different. So I had also said that the places from where we were expecting tourists, we expect tourists every year to come to Goa, are the places where the COVID situation has spiked. It has gone up, whether it is Mumbai, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Haryana side, whether it is Punjab side, whether it is all these areas, Bangalore and all those other places, from wherever the Indian tourists come in this particular month of July and August, are these states. So where the situation is not normal, it's quite bad. त्या खातीर आमी सांगले की हांवें म्हाजो पर्सनल ओपिनियन आहलो सीएमाकूय की आमी डिफर करूया म्हणून.
So in the
but industry was forcing CM continuously to open this industry, so that हेचेर खूब जाण लोक डिपेंड आहा. लायक कितकेच जाणांक सॅलरी मेवता, आमचे गोंयकार भाव, तेंची खूब जाणांची सॅलरी कमी केल्ली आहा. सॅलरी जर तर 20,000 आहली जाल्यार आयज तांकां 5,000 मेवता. इट्स लायक अ स्टायपन. होटल इज क्लोज, बट स्टील सम hotels are giving some small amount of salary. And जर तर ओपन करीत जाल्यार they are expecting tourists to come, but with what? Tourists to come with what? Was my question. Like, you can always expect a lot of tourists who will come, will be positive. So आधीच आमचे सिच्युएशन बरें ना गोंयान. People are scared. So in this situation, we had to wait. Lockdown is not the solution. We have come out of lockdown. Lockdown आमी पयलेसून आहले. लॉकडावनासून आमी भायर सरले. आता परतून लॉकडावनान वचप सारकें योग्य न्हू. I understand that people are scared. We need to fight this virus by different ways. Mask is very important. Mask घालूकच जाव.
Suppose if we go for a second lockdown,
मास्क घालून हुई आता हिंगासून भायर सरलो हांव. बिफोर आय सिट इन माय कार हांव वयता आनी पयले वॉशरूमान हात धुता. हे इम्पॉर्टंट टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दीस व्हायरस. कोण फुडल्यान उलयता तुवें मास्क घालूकच जाय. दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. सो इन दीस वे वी कॅन फायट द व्हायरस. लॉकडावन इज नॉट द सोल्युशन. लॉकडावन करशी तूं सगळें बंद करता. तुजो मुवमेंट बंद करता. तूं घरान उरता. तुका जेवणाक त्रास जाता. तुका कितें हाडूंक जाय वचोंक जाय तेका त्रास जाता. लॉकडावन इज नॉट सोल्युशन. तितलोच एरिया खूंय कितें आहा पळय त्यो तितल्यो तितली भितरली शॉपां ओपन आसुनी आनी त्या लोकांक थिंगाचे थिंगा वचोनी
कंटेनमेंट
तो धाकटो झोन करता पळय ते कंटेनमेंट झोन कितें मिनी मायक्रो कितें इट इज ओके. लॉकडावन इज नॉट द सोल्युशन.